Did you know, besides ChatGPT, there are other things you can do with AI, like, for example, create your own digital clone. This is the HeyGen home. Next, click New Video, and then click Avatar Video. And if you want to create a portrait for your phone, you can. Otherwise, create landscape for the computer. Here is an avatar that I've trained. You need about a 2-minute video of yourself talking in front of the camera, and I have plenty of those. And then all you have to do is put in a script. Now you can either copy and paste one from ChatGPT, or you can just use the built-in one. There's a GPT script writer right here. And then you just press play and see what happens.
Oops, accidentally deleted a file? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us.
You can even do different languages.
AI の未来はどうなるのでしょうか。それは死が経てばわかるでしょう。このビデオを気に入っていただけましたら、Quel avenir pour l'IA? Seul le temps nous le dira. Si vous avez apprécié cette vidéo, n'hésitez pas à mettre un pouce bleu et à vous abonner pour plus de conseils techniques. أي مستقبل للذكاء الاصطناعي؟ الوقت فقط سيخبرنا. إذا استمتعت بهذا الفيديو، يرجى الإعجاب به والاشتراك للحصول على المزيد من النصائح التقنية.
And then after some processing, here is the result.
Oops, accidentally deleted a file? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In this video, I'm going to show you a few easy methods to recover deleted files on your computer or device. Let's get your file back. Step 1. Let's check the recycle bin. If you've recently deleted a file, it's usually just moved here, acting like a safety net.
Doing some random
Open the recycle bin. You can find it on your desktop. Look for your deleted file, right-click on it, and select Restore. Your file should reappear in its original location. Easy, right?
Say you're at work and you want to create a quick instructional video. Well, you don't have to get all the lighting right. You don't have to put on the makeup and the sound and everything. You can just put in the script, stick it in your digital clone, and then there you go. 5 minutes later, you've got a video.
인공지능에게 어떤 미래가 있을까? 오직 시간만이 말해줄 것이다. 이 영상이 마음에 드셨다면 좋아요를 눌러주시고 더 많은 기술 팁을 받아보시려면 구독해주세요. 또한 기술적인 질문이 있는 경우 댓글로 알려주시기 바랍니다.